Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can insert the lines in a Google Slides presentation. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our presentation. And after opening the presentation, simply we have to go to the insert section. And after going to the insert section, you will get the line option here. So we have to click on the line option. Now we have to choose that which type of line you want to add, like the line, arrow, elbow, connector, and the curved connector and the curved polyline. Which type of line you want it. For example, I'm going to click on this. I want this this line like this. So as you can see, I have made this line. Now you can adjust this and control this. You can also increase the size and change the color. For example, I'm going to click on this and I want to make it darker. So let's click on the 8px. So as you can see, now you can move this as per your need. So in this way, you can create different types of lines. So if you want to go to insert again, and I'm going to click on the insert, let's click on this and let's go to the line. And now I'm going to click on the arrow again. And now I'm going to write the arrow like this. And now I'm going to move this. And we can also change the size of this like 12 px. So as you can see, in this way you can create different types of line and make your presentation attractive. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create lines in your presentation. So see you guys in the next video.